Vigorous day everyone! Welcome to my insanity! And gagawin tayo today ng honey oat bacon latte! Tama ka. You heard it right. Bacon. Ang una natin gagawin ay air fry natin yung bacon kasi kailangan natin dito ng 25 ml or 25 grams ng bacon grease. Proud ba kayo sa akin? Kasi experimental na naman ang content ko. Isa lang to, tapos wala na yan. Yes, 2 araw ako nagpre-prepare for this. Gumawa pa ako ng sarili kong yelo para sa video ito. Next naman ay 20 ml din ng honey. Tapos, ang gagamitin nating beans ay golden ticket ng Gagi Pre, you haven't tried the Arctic? Sibagay, if you know lang naman eh. Wiset! Ito ang pinili kong beans kasi may tasting note siya ng dark chocolate, mandarin, orange, and toffee. Feeling ko magbe-blend well yon with the smokiness of our bacon grease, coffee, and honey. So, yeah. Tapos, i-froth natin siya vigorously until everything is smooth and well incorporated. Ang yellow today ay para sa'yo. I know 2025 was hard, but you did great. So proud of you. Tapos, 150 ml ng oat milk of your choice. Ilalagay na natin ang smooth and creamy na mixture of espresso, honey, and bacon grease. This was really nice. Alam mo yung honey oat latte, tapos may aftertaste siya ng smokiness ng bacon. Oh, love it. Perfection. Feeling ko mas perfect to kung honey cured yung ginamit na bacon. But, it was really nice. Try nyo na.